Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Minecraft tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to find your Minecraft folder. This can be useful if you want to install new mods or resource packs. To do this, we simply go to the Windows search at the bottom and enter %appdata%. Now we click on the Windows suggestion and are now in the roaming folder. And here we now have the Minecraft folder. If I click on it, I can find important folders such as my game saves or resource packs. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.